Hey guys, on today's video I'm taking a look right here at the item shop, how to buy skins. It's really easy. All you guys have to do is buy V-Bucks first of all, so buy some V-Bucks. Once you do that and you have enough for whichever skin you want, go into the shop. Right from the shop, just take a look at what you want. In this case, there's a bundle, which is awesome, or if you want a specific skin, you can do that. For me, it's good enough just for a specific skin, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. You just have to hold X to confirm your purchase, and you're gonna get it. So you can just go ahead and equipped, or just claim everything. It's up to you. And then if you go back, just by pressing whichever back button it is for you, you will be able to see your skin. It's right here. Anyways, that would be it for today's video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.